All right, beginning this morning with a significant milestone in the fight against the coronavirus, the FDA giving the green light to a COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer. The next step, a vote scheduled for today from a CDC Vaccine Advisory Committee known as the ACIP. It is the final hurdle before vaccinations can begin. The FDA has determined that the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine has met the statutory criteria for authorization. The vaccine will be administered as a series of 2 doses, 3 weeks apart. Dr. Ashley Hannings with the University of Georgia College of Pharmacy says known side effects of the vaccine were detailed during ACIP's meeting yesterday.
The most common one by far was pain at the injection site. Headache and fatigue were fairly common as well, but those can happen with a number of other vaccines.
Hannings says even if approved, research on the vaccine will continue, so we do expect to learn more through updated advisories and possible side effects.